Now, before we start this lesson, let's solve one of the examples here. No, not this one. This one here. Keyboard is working. It's okay. Let's see. Let's repeat this one here. Let's solve number 21 as an example. In number 21 here, we have 3x minus 4y equals 48. So what do you have to do? Yes, tell me, what is the first step?
3x equals. First thing we will
Put x 0. If x is 0, how it will be?
4y
3 times 0 minus 4y equals what? 48. Then 0 minus
Teacher, your voice is gone. We cannot hear you. Yes, teacher, your voice is gone.
okay, negative 4y equals
then divided by 4.
then negative 48 divided by 4.
No.
12. Negative 2.
Teacher, this one is the y-intercept, right? Teacher, your voice is going and coming. We cannot hear you well. Teacher, voice is gone.
Yes, Layal. Now can you hear me?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Layal, continue. 4 times 0, okay, and 3 x equals, bravo. So then 3x equals what? Just a minute. 3x minus, okay, bravo, then divide by, okay, then x equals 48 divided by 3 is 60.
Teacher,
So
teacher, what
the
did you
point
put
is
zero?
it's 0. Sorry? What did you say?
She said from where you got the zero.
This is how to find the x and y intercept. As we said yesterday, in order to find the y
I
intercept,
was absent.
okay, so you have to rewatch the video.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go to how can I go back now? Okay, screenshot. Now, it's okay, it's working. Yeah. Let's start now our new lesson here. In this lesson, we're gonna learn the slope of lines. In the previous lesson, we know what are the linear equations, how to graph a line. And we said we call it a linear because its graph is a line. Now today, we're gonna find the slope of this line. The slope is only for the lines. Later on, if we have many graphs, this for a quadratic, for a cubic, for absolute, there's no slope. The slope only for the lines. Now, what do I mean by slope? Slope is a measure of steepness. So it is a measure of how is the line, is the steepness and its direction. So slope, it's a measure of steepness. And how is the direction? If it is increase or decrease. If it is increased, the slope must be positive. And if it is decreased, the slope must be negative. Okay? So what do I mean by the steepness?
Teacher, how the line will be a negative line?
We will say now. It's not negative line. If it is decreased, the slope will be negative. If it is increased, the slope will be positive. Today we will see how. So what do I mean by the slope? The slope is a measure of its steepness. Now, a line that rises from left to right, like, no. Susie, go upward. That's the 6 4. Sometimes you find most. Which one? Okay. Yes. Okay. So the line, if it is come from left to right, or it means it's increase. Okay, the line it's come from left to right, like the purple one. This one, it has a positive slope. So if it is come from left to right, it's increase. Okay? Do you mean what I mean? Increase from left to right. So from left to right, the slope is positive. But from right, like here, from right to left, it's decreased, so the slope is negative. Thank you. I will repeat. What do I mean by increase? Increase like I am on the Just a minute. Like this line. Like if you have this line, you are down, you go up. So it's increase or decrease? Increase. So the slope must be positive. It's go from left
Okay, teacher.
to right.
But teacher, it can come from any point. Like it can come from the point of the right to the left.
Hello, if it is from right to left, you are. It's you look at it. How do you know? Look at it from here. You are up, you go down. When you want to make sure, see if it is up, increase or decrease. Look at it from the left. Here you are up, you go down. You are from the right, you are from left to right. So the slope here is left, here is right. So it will be the slope is negative. So how I can determine? Look at, yes, because you are up, you go down. Like what? Like here? Like 3. It is from left to right. So it is up with down. How? You mean like straight line? It's decrease. How do you know? I will tell you. Look at it from the left side. You look at that from the left. If it is go down, or like here, go down, it's decrease, so the slope is negative. If it is upward or from left to right, the slope is positive. That's it? Now, look at these examples here. We have 4 lines. Line 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, who can tell me line 1, is it increase or decrease? Yes, Habiba. Decrease. So Habiba said line 1 decrease. Okay. Line 2. Yes, Layal. The green one. Okay. Bravo. It's negative because it's from the right to left. Thank you. Line 3. Yes, Yajuri. Bravo. And line 4. Yes, Hala. Look at it from the right. It is from. It will be positive. So line 1 and 2 have a negative slope. 3 and 4 have what? Positive. As you see here, from left to right, negative slope. Okay? And from left, right to left, it will be has a positive. In other words, rises and falls. Yeah. No. No. Touch, not keyboard. No, not keyboard, not mouse. Not touch.
No, try with the touch. Try with the touch.
No. طب والكيبورد؟
ايش الضغط هذا؟
يس.
هذا ما يضغط اصلا.
والكيبورد والتاتش. طب انت شو
أنا تيجي النور. أروح هي هذا. أروح أنا تيجي النور.
طيب see now. It's okay. So which lines have a positive slope? As you say, 3 and 4, they have a positive. 1 and 2, they have a negative slope. Got it now? This is what do I mean by
Teacher, how
positive.
line 3 is positive?
How line what?
Line 3 is positive.
Line 3, where's line 3? The red one.
Yeah.
Okay, look at it. It goes from left to right. Look at it from the left.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Wait. You say, teacher, you understand. After I solve, teacher, oh, no, I get it. What do you mean by that? Right. Now, how to find or how to calculate the slope? To calculate the slope here, as I told you now, you have a line, or you have the xy intercept, and we have a line that I drew it from a linear equation. You know how can because it's related to equations. Now, if you have this slope as an, or if you have this line, okay, now we know what I mean by linear equation. We know how I graph them. Now I want to find the slope of this line. How I will find the slope of this line? To find the slope, I need 2 points on the line. One is this point. I need 2 points on the line. This one and this one. Or maybe this one and this one. Maybe this point and this point. I need 2 points. I can use them to find the slope. But I need 2 points only.
What is the line from left to left?
It's the same.
From left to left.
Upward. This is later we talk about it. Now, so to find the slope, how many points do I need? 2 points only. Not at least 2. I need only 2 points. Now then, to find the slope is delta y over, or delta, it's mean difference in Roman. Difference of y over the difference of x. Delta, it's mean difference in Greek, I think. So the slope is different of y. What do I mean by different of y? It means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What do I mean by y2? For these 2 points, as an example, here it has x1, y1. Here it has x2, y2. Okay? Each 2 points, it has a coordinate. Here it has x coordinate, y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate. Now, to find the slope, you will take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. To find the slope, the formula is y2 minus y1
How to how to
how what?
how to know which one is y1 and which one is y2?
As you want. As we did in the how to find the length. Imagine that if I want, this is y1, or this is the first point, and this is the second point. But you have to know, if you start from y2, you must go to y1. And if you start from x2, you have to go to x1. Okay? So how to find the slope? I will repeat. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But before they get this formula, they said that the slope is the rise. This is here. Like yeah. Let's see. What do I mean by before they found the formula, they said that the slope is rise over run. What do I mean by rise? Like how the sun is rising. Go from the up and downward, go upward, or like from west to east. So the red line, it means the rises. So the rises, it means y2 minus y1, which is, okay. Wait, here you have, this is just to know what I mean by rise and run. But I didn't need them. When you need to calculate, you will need y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But what do I mean by rise and run? How the sun is rising? It's go from the west to east. So you go from this point to this point. So you change the y. So the rise is y2 minus y1. And run, you are running. You are go from this point to this point. So you will go from this point to this point, which is x2 minus x1. No. Just to understand them. Me too. It's okay. So the rise is y2 minus y1. I mean by rising that I am going upward or downward. Running, I have to go to the left or to the right. So run is x2 minus x1. Then after that, they said that the slope is the rise over the run. In other words, let's go back to our formula that the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the slope, the formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's have an example. You know what do I mean by y2 and y1? Yes, the lesson is only for the slope. Let's see this example here. Let's see this example here. Here you have a line, and it has two labeled points. Okay? The first one is -3, -6, and the second one is 4, 5. How you will find the slope of the line?
Teacher.
Yes? Yes?
Okay, teacher. First you will write 4 minus 3
يلا.
minus -3.
لا wait. No. Just a minute.
5.
No. لا, it's y over x, not x over y. It's y2 minus y1
Okay.
over x2
Okay.
minus x1. Now, Layal said, I want this is one is y2 and x2, and I want this one is x1, y1. Okay? Let's say now if Layal at the exam choose this one is an x1, y1, and this one if it is x2, y2. What do I mean by how? Just a minute. This we call it horizontal and vertical line. Later I will tell you about it. Okay? Let's go now for increase or decrease. Okay? What do I mean? Here x2, y2. Here is x1, y1. x1, y1. Okay? So now Layal decided to say that this is the first point and this is the second point. the 7. Let's see if Mayar solve it. If this is x1 and this is x2. If Mayar get the same answer as Layal or no. Let's see. Layal said, this is for Layal. Okay, Layal says this is my first point and this is my second point. So y2, where is y2? Where is y here, the y coordinate? 5. Be careful. Where is y? This is y. So 5 minus what? 5 minus negative 6.
Negative
So
6.
5 minus negative 6. Over. Then. No, it is, no. Here it's negative 6. And it must be negative between them. It's different than 5 plus negative 6. So you must, no, 5 minus 6, it will be negative 1. But 5 minus negative 6, it will be 11. They are different. Now, where is x2? This is Layal said, this is x2. So 4 minus what? Negative. Now, 5 minus negative 6 is what?
11.
11. Keep plus flip. 5 plus 6. Okay? Yes. Another one. Let's see. And when I was at school, they teach us that negative times negative is positive. They are following each other. So it comes like this. Okay? Here.
Equals
Like
7.
plus. So 4 minus negative 3 or 4 plus 3, it comes what? 7. So Layal found that the slope is 11 over 7. Now let's see Mayar. Mayar wants to say that, this is for Mayar. She wants to say, teacher, I want to see that. Now, I want to say that this is my first point, and this is my second point. Let's see now if Mayar get the same answer or not. Where is x2?
But teacher, it's already the same.
I want to prove that. Okay, I want to prove that if I change the order, I will get the same answer or no? Let's see.
Yes,
where is
teacher,
y2? Negative 6. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Where is y2? Negative 6. Where is minus 5? Bravo. Over x2, which is negative 3, minus what? Minus 4. Now, negative 6 minus 5, the same sign. What I have to do? Plus them. 6 plus 5?
11.
11. So it will be negative 11. Why not 11? Because you have a negative sign. It's okay. Here it is 5 plus, it comes like 5 plus 6. Here it comes like negative 6 plus negative 5, so it will be negative 11. Down, negative 3 minus 4.
Negative 7. It's gone. Teacher, your voice is gone.
We cannot finish. Hello, here is the final answer. Okay.
Teacher, can you repeat the other one, because since your voice was gone, we couldn't hear anything.
Where is y2? This is y2. Just a minute. Here is y2. Where did we say? Where's y2? Here is y2, and here is y1. So negative 6 minus 5 over x2 minus x1. Got it now? Online. Got it now? From where?
Her voice is gone.
Maybe it's highlighting. Yeah. But try the formula, please. And y2 minus y1.
No, 4 minus 6.
Yeah, yes, negative 2 minus 4. Bravo. Because she determined that this is x2, y2, and this is x1, y1.
So it should be negative 1.
Yes, okay. I
Teacher, her voice is gone.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm trying. No.
Teacher, her voice is gone again and again.
Teacher, your voice.
لا 1 over 3. 1 over 3. No. ايوه. So here is the answer. Thank you. How? It's 4 over 12, not 12 over 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Got it now? Do you have any question? Yes, Nada. Okay. After Nada, 3. Now number A, 9. Is it clear? I'm sorry. Here it will be negative 1 over 3. Here is the negative sign. Yalla, now number 10. Juri, have a seat, please. Maria, are you here? سامي بجدة. يلا negative 5 minus 3 جوري. continue. Negative. لا wait. Negative 5 minus 3 negative 8. change the opposite sign. Nada.
Look here.
Okay, change. Flip. Four forward points.
Can you do them all at the same way?
Give it to me.
0 minus 4.
Yeah. 0 minus 4 is what? Then. أيوة. What is fine?
How come 0 minus 4?
Just a minute. Negative 5 minus negative 3 over 0 minus 4. So how do we know how come? So slope is 2. Thank you so much. Right. Now. Yeah, no. Number 8. Number 11. Yes, yes, Celine. Did you finish writing? Yeah. 10 we solve it now. 11 now with Celine. The second slide. The second slide. Celine. والله Celine. I for master. I اشتريت. جوري. Number 11. What's okay.
صفحة
What do you have after this class? Yes, yeah.
بنات الهومورك صفحة 89 من 14
We will solve it on Monday, okay?
14 to 17.
See, send me the answer. Please, all of you, send me the answers on Telegram. All of you of 14 to 17. I want to check it one by one. Okay? All of you. No, Mama. She knows that she has a class. Have a seat, please. Let's see now. 3 minus negative 3 over -2 minus -1. Wait. 3 minus Jury. You don't know me. 3 minus -6 is okay. Or no, -2 minus 1.
Teacher, it will equal 2.
Minus 1, which is -2 minus 1.
3.
-3.
-3.
Then 6 over 3.
-2.
6 divided by that's it. So look at this one here. Now look at this one here. Where does it go? From where to where? From right to left. So what do I mean? The slope is negative and the slope here is negative. Okay? Now, for these questions here, they how you have them as a homework. يلا let's now. No. It's up until